To back up data with Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to Settings, and then we need to scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup. And now you want to go to Backup Data, where you have Samsung Cloud text. So let's go over here. And then we have the option to choose what we want to backup. And as you can see, we have such options as messages, calendar, contacts, clock, settings, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna choose settings, home screen, and messages. And then we can press backup now at the bottom of the screen. And there we go, we are now backing up data. Now, of course, this process may take much longer depending on the amount of data that you need to back up and on the internet speed as well. But once you are done, you should see the information that the backup is done. There we go, all data backed up. So now we can press done. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!